As you know that our series on swing trading is continuing, and this is our second video on swing trading. So friends, today the topic which we are going to deal is fundamental analysis necessary for swing trading. Friends, it is of paramount importance that we really should understand what are the necessities for a successful swing trading, right? Before going ahead, I would like to ask you a question. Just keep it in mind. You must have seen horse races in your life. So, you put money on the horse or you put money on the jockey. I'm sure many of you must have already in your mind made up the right answer. But we will check in the end, somewhere in the end, the real answer to this. Friends, when we talk of swing trading, you must get one thing very clear, that swing trading is associated with technical analysis. Swing trading is associated with the technical analysis, and fundamental analysis is something different. So today we will see whether in doing swing trading the fundamentals of a stock are necessary or not. Friends, before going ahead, just one request to all of you: kindly see the full video. The reason is, people asked me the questions which I have already explained in the video. Please don't fast forward the video and see complete video in its entirety. That will be useful to all, and it is a real understanding, because if you want to really earn money in the share market, you must know the basic facts before starting your functions or operations in the stock market. Friends, I am just would like to invite your attention that many of our friends, the views are more, but hardly 4 or 5 known people who actually respond to all my videos. They only respond, they only comment. Rest of the people are just keeping silence on it. I would like to have your comments on all my videos, because this gives me energy and motivation to put forth more videos. Friends, first thing that we see in this is the price action. The price action in fundamental analysis, friends, this depends upon the strength of the share. In fundamental analysis, price action will depend on strength of share. Whether share is strong or share is weak, the fundamental analysis will accordingly tell us the price action, whether the price will come down or price will go up. Says what happens is, if some quarter the share does not perform well, price will come down. In some quarter, if the share has done exceedingly well, the price shoots up. So price action basically depends on the strength of the fundamental strength of the share. Whereas in swing trading or in technical analysis, the price action depends on charts and patterns. When I say chart patterns, in say line charts, you have double bottom, double top, pendant, ascending triangle, descending triangle, you see head and shoulder, inverse, head and shoulder, normal. So they are the patterns, which indicate the price action, whether the price will go up or the price actually will come down. Then we see how the capital is utilized. In fundamental analysis, the capital is used very efficiently. Right? The share is strong. You have taken share for a prolonged period of time, it will go up. Whereas in the swing trading or technical analysis point of view, when I say swing trading means technical analysis, or when I say technical analysis, swing trading is associated with it. And in swing trading, the capital used is super excellent. Super excellent utilization of capital. There is no two opinion. If you take swing trading and if you take the fundamental analysis, straight through fundamental analysis, you will definitely make more money here. There is no doubt, because supposing that in fundamental fundamentals of the share, they have declined over 2 years' time. You can always change the share here. But here you are stuck up for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or why 2, 3, 4 years? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Are we together on this? Then, the another point that comes to my mind is value. In fundamental analysis, the value of the share is determined whether the value is real and fair. Various factors which we will subsequently discuss today, it will tell whether fundamental analysis will say whether the value of the stock is real and fair. Whereas in swing trading, you extract the real value the profit from the real value of shares repeatedly. You understand? Because swing trading, the fundamental is what you have purchased a share, you are keeping it for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, etc. But here swing trading, it is not that. So time and again there is a price correction. You are coming out. Again you are buying at the lower price, selling at the upper price, buying at the lower price and selling at the upper price. So this is what is actually happening. Now, the time frame. Fundamental analysis. Time frame is what? From plus 5 years to 10 years to 15 years to 20 years. like this. In swing trading, it could be on daily charts, weekly charts, or monthly charts. This is the time frame. And believe me, weekly charts are the game changer. Weekly charts are the game changers. Now, what are the parameters in fundamental analysis which will determine the strength of the share? They could be price to book value, they could price to earning ratio, debt to equity ratio, return on investment, return on equity, then assets, and there could be several other also. You just go to moneycontrol.com, just write any stock, Tata Motors, see the valuation, and you will get all the valuations. How a share has to be evaluated. Right? Fine. In swing trading, what are the parameters which are required? Revenue or sales, right? Then you require is net profit margin, this is in percentage. Then what do you require is gross profit, or EBIT. Fine. These are the three parameters you require for swing trading, and many of plus other parameters you require for fundamental analysis. If I were to give the rating here, revenue out of 100, this is 10 marks, this is EBITDA is 60, and this is 30. So if the total was 100, gross profit is 70 and net profit margin is 30%. Friends, basically it is depending on these two, the parameters for swing trading and parameters to analyze stocks for the long term. Okay. Same question, friends, now I am asking you again. What is the question? Friends, the question was, in a horse race, you will put money on the jockey or on the horse. Where will you put the money? Friends, people always put money on jockey, and jockey is your fundamental analysis. This swing trade or technical analysis is your horse. Therefore, coming back to this question, is fundamental analysis necessary for swing trading? Yes, yes, yes. Friends, whenever you trade with a strong stock, your risking money becomes very less. Today is, for example, if you tell me, can anybody lose money in Reliance Industries as on date? Can anybody lose money in HDFC group of companies? No. Can you lose money in Maruti? No way. Why? Because these stocks always have very strong fundamentals. Okay, so that this is actually the talk which I wanted to bring before you. If you are happy with it, please comment that you have liked the video, share it, download it, and please don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button for notification. Have a nice day, friends. Thank you very much.